Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Panda Beauty here. How you guys doing? In this video I am going to be creating this look right here. I'll show you the products I've used and how I've created this look. If you like what you see, keep on watching. So I'm going to start my eyes first because they are going to be intense, and if there's any fallout I'll be able to clean everything. But before I do my eyes, I'm gonna put my moisturizer on. I haven't put the moisturizer on, and then I'll put a primer on. I've got this little pot of Clinique Moisture Surge. I've tried it a few times, I really like it. It's very hydrating. I color correct my eyes with my LA Pro Girl in orange concealer just underneath my eyes. Use NARS concealer to prime my eyes and also highlight my under eyes. All this is, it's medium dark. I'm just going to take my wet sponge and just going to blend that concealer. My BYS translucent powder and set my eyes top and bottom. I take a fluffy brush. For today's video I'm going to use this palette here, which is limited edition Bobbi Brown palette, and it looks like this. Oops. The colors are like that, and then you have the other side, which has the highlighter and the blushes. So I'm going to use this palette today to create the look. So first I'm going to take a very nude gray looking color, which is called Wood Rose, and put that into my crease. So I'm starting with very light hand, and then I'm building the gray because at the moment I don't know how dark I want it. Go with a darker gray, which is called Slate, I think, and just go on top of the light grayish color that I've got on. Bobbi Brown colors, they're so good quality. They're a little bit expensive, but definitely worth buying for sure. Now I'm going to go in with the dark color, which is almost a black. I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to put that all over. I like the darkness of my eyes now. What I'm going to do is just take a fluffy brush, take the darker gray that I had, and just going to blend that black out in my crease. Make this look very glam. I'm really confused between these two colors. This is like a purple and this is like a gray silver. I don't know which one to go. I really like the color of that one. I really like this one too. Maybe with the dark eyes this will look really nice. I really want to try this. I think I will go with the darker color and see how that looks. So I'm just going to go with my finger and just go on top of the gray. Gives it like a really pretty silvery finish. Take my fluffy brush and just blend that sparkle out with my crease. So I'm just going to go with my Too Faced concealer. Set my under eyes. Really go heavy because this look is really intense. I just want a good makeup coverage. I'll take my beauty sponge and I'll just blend that out. With my translucent powder again and set my under eyes. This time I'm just going to take my beauty sponge. Wear foundation, shake it, color correct because I don't need it. Take my fluffy brush and remove the powder. Now I'm going to take my Lakme liquid eyeliner. I'm going to finish off my eyes now before I finish my face. This has been my favorite for a very long time. Flat brush and a little bit of my concealer and just go underneath my brows just to clear the color. curler from Shiseido, mascara from Clarins. This is called Super Volume. It's really, really nice to create volume, and this look is really perfect to use a mascara like this. Sorry, my camera stopped recording, so I am putting my lashes on. I carried on doing my brows and stuff while my husband was trying to fix it. So I'm just gonna put this on. I think I'm gonna just smoke out my lower lashes just a little bit. I'm gonna use the dark gray black that I used all over my eyelid. Just the outer corner. It's really nice. I'm just gonna take my mascara, my eyeliner, and then just put a little line underneath where I've put the eyeshadow. Eyeliner dry, so I'm just gonna go and finish my face. I am going to highlight the sides of my jaw with my translucent powder. Use the contour color in this palette by Bobbi Brown. Just taking it into a contour brush. Face as well. And the same palette, I'm gonna take the blush. I think I might take the pinkier one. I think it'll look nicer with the dark eyes. Highlighter in here and highlight my face. I'm just taking a flat brush. The brush, I'm just gonna blend that out so it doesn't look like a very harsh sort of line. I'm just gonna take my fluffy brush and remove that line. I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes. To do my lips. I'm gonna keep my lips very, very nude because the intenser the eyes, the less intense the lips should be. So I put the lip liner on. This one is in Fold by Chi Chi. It's really, really nice and creamy. I'm gonna go in with Chi Chi lipstick 2, which is called Miss Adventurous. It's like a really pretty sort of brownie nude. On my Cupid's bow. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of color from the Bobbi Brown. I said little bit, it's too much. Alright, I'm just gonna take my MAC setting spray. This one has a little gold shimmer in it, really, really pretty for a very luminous sort of glow. This is in Gold Light. I know you can get for pinks and neutrals. So I'm just gonna add this. This is the final look. It is, like I said, it's very intense. Definitely for nighttime or very special occasion. I wouldn't wear this personally during the day, even though it looks bomb. I had so much fun creating this look. I love bold eyes, so that's something that I enjoyed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any suggestions or say hi. Subscribe to my channel for more videos. Follow me on my Instagram, Snapchat as well, and Facebook. That's Brown Panda Beauty if you want. Until next time, you guys take care and have a positive, happy day. Bye. So tired.